Hi, I'm Vaishali Sharma from MATLAB Helper, and in this video I'm going to show how we can implement cellular transmission in MATLAB. In cellular transmission, direct sequence spectrum modulation takes place, and in this video we are going to execute various steps of DSS modulation in MATLAB. In initial step of DSS modulation, encryption is done. The message code is encrypted with the cell code to form the data code. The data code is then converted into square wave, which then undergoes PPSK modulation. Then the modulated wave is finally superimposed with the PN sequence, resulting into DSS signal formation. DSS modulation has applications in various fields such as call tapping, encryption and decryption, location tracking, data alteration, military and defense, and noise filtration. The MATLAB code used for implementing this scheme is shown on the screen. In the first part of the code, you can see that the 5-bit cell code S that represents the location or region of the cell. In the second part, we are using two for loops to generate 5-bit message code for 10 users. The encryption is done by XOR logical function between the cell code and the message code to produce the data code. In the third part, we are converting the data code into data wave ranging from -1 to 1. In the fourth part, we are generating a sine wave that is being superimposed with the data wave. Since the amplitude of both the sine wave and the data wave is 1, the BPSK modulated wave could be obtained by performing simple matrix product between the sine wave and the data wave. In the fifth part, we are producing a PN sequence of 5-bit and amplitude 1, which is superimposed with the BPSK modulated wave again by using matrix product. In the last part, we are obtaining the figures of the waves generated at each step as well as the final resulting wave of 10 users. Now click on Run. Now you can see that 20 figures have appeared on the screen for 10 users, 2 figures for each user. This waveform represents the sampled version of DSS signal. This figure represents all the signals formed at each step, that is, the sine carrier wave, the data wave, the BPSK modulated wave, the PN wave, and the final DSS wave. I will now compare the results of 9th and 10th user, and you can see that the DSS wave formed for both the users is different. Similarly, in these figures, you can also see that the data wave formed for these users is also different. You can change the cell code S here and encrypt message with the data code of your preference and see the variation in results. So in this video, we learned about the process of cellular transmission using direct spectrum sequence of PPSK modulation. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comment section or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future. MATLAB is our feature. Happy MATLABing!